uzaza ryari
umva iyo ndirimbo ndaza kuguhamagara nyikuririmbe kuri telefone tu utanzabwira bebe abasuza ari kuvugira hirya mu gikari bebe basi okay just make a sound.
Hello.
Sound louder. How about you come closer? Huh? No, we don't want you to be on the camera. Trust me. Just come. No, you now what shaka kuza muri camera. Ngwino hano. Ngaho tera yandirimba. Afite amagambo meza arutaye abanditsi. Shout out to Bruce Melody, man. Shout out to Yago, my boy. Muri live, right?
We are right, bro.
Muri gukurikira live, right?
We are right, bro. The tiger beat our boy.
Now, the Ben.
Yes.
Kandi turajya ngo tubabwire congratulations ko mwabashije gutsindira igihembo cyangwa se quiz twatanze ejo bundi ku ndirimbo ya Plenty. Yego. Uri mu rugo ko numisha abantu benshi? Muri live, right? Muri gukurikira live, right?
We are right, bro. The tiger beat our boy.
Yo, listen, man. Congrats to you. Tugomba guhamagara abandi bantu, but congrats to you kandi nyuma y'iyi call turaza gukurikizaho urabona ubutumwa busobanura how biri bukurikirane kugira ngo ugere ku kintu watsindiye.
Thank you so much, bro. We are very excited. Imani komeze kublessing, bro. The project is a very exciting song.
Thank you very much. I hope you're enjoying the song though. Thank you very much. Murakoze cyane. Man, shout out to all my producer, man. Shout out to Lick. Shout out to Element. Shout out to Koze, boy. Shout out to Keys, man. And shout out to all the producers. Shout out to Loader, bro. The young boy, the young king, Loader. Shout out to all the artists. Shout out to all the musicians. Shout out to all the industry, man. One love. Bino dukwiye kubyishimiramo ntabwo dukwiye kubirakariramo ntabwo dukwiye kubirwaniramo. This is ndumva nanjye go preaching, man. Go play with me. All right, let's call the third winner. Hello.
Oui.
Muraho neza.
Muraho.
A lady. She's a lady.
Hello.
Muraho neza. Hey. So turagira ngo tubabwire ko muhamagawe na The Ben. Na The Ben.
Let's get to banze mbyuke. The Ben. My artist.
Ndajya mbabwire ko muhamagawe na The Ben. Kandi tubamenyesha ko mutsindiye quiz mwatanzemo igitekerezo cyanyu ya Plenty. Mwaratanze igitekerezo cyangwa tubibeshyeho?
Oya, ko narabikoze mana, oya uri kumbeshya.
Dana twebwe gato. Amazina witwa?
Ange. Natsinze se koko?
Okay.
Hello?
Okay, Ange, congratulations, you're the winner. You are among the winner, by the way. What seems it?
Murakoze cyane n'Imana bamugisha ntabwo mbyumva neza.
Yeah, so
ntabwo ndabyakira.
Nukuvuga ngo uraza kwakira ubutumwa nyuma y'iyi phone call bukubwira uburyo ki uri ubashe kubona.
Thank you so much, Mugisha n'ukuri umugisha n'izina rya Imana umugisha.
And I hope you guys are receiving the Plenty neza indirimbo yabagezeho. Okay. Utuyagana he, by the way?
Ni Nyamagabe.
Oh, egoko. Nyamagabe si.
Mucharo.
Nyamagabe ni Nyamagabe si kukibuye.
I think so.
Nyamagabe
hajya ni muri ntara.
Ni Gikongoro. Mumuji Yego.
Oh, congratulations to you once again. Ubwo turafunga up na n'uburyo tugeza igihembo cyawe.
Nuko Imana bamugisha urakoze cyane ariko ndishimye bikomeye.
All right, take care. Bye.
Thank you.
Hello. Maoneza? Bo. Muhamagawe na The Ben?
The Ben?
Nimba utari live wabona tukuvanye mu bantu batsinze?
Oya nari kubareba kabisa nayitangiye live kweli.
So, muri make congratulations to you kuko wabashije kuba among the top 5 batsindiye.
Wow. Thank you so much, man. Thank you.
Yeah. So, nyuma y'i phone call uraza kubona ubutumwa busobanura uburyo ki uribone igihembo cyawe.
Ariko wese gato basi ibyo akantu gato.
Yego.
Genda umufana kuva kera kabisa. Wenda abantu badukurikiye banyanganiro gato ntago ninda.
Yego.
Ariko basubyumve sibyo?
Ndakumva cyane.
Je nakoreye umutara Instagram share wanjye ntago tukiri kumwe. Ariko ndi mu bana bato nyine bakoze bagufana bagukunda cyane kuva ugiye USA.
Wow.
Wita kinyi byose ndabyibuka kugeza nyine nanjye mvuye aho mu cyaro naragiraga inka numva indirimbo zawe ku radio man. Yego. Bashaka musaba akantu gatoya. Umuntu ushaka kuzereka umuntu ushaka kuzereka ko byibuza twanavuganye ko byibuza no kuri telefone.
Wow.
Ndashaka ngo indirimbo waririmbye ivuga ngo uzaza ryari.
Umva iyo ndirimbo ndaza kuguhamagara nyikuririmbe kuri telefone tu. Afite amagambo meza arutaye abanditsi.
Thank you,
afite ukuboko kwiza utuka bako. Congratulations to you kandi Imana igumugisha. Make sure you use the funds the right way.
Thank you so much.
No.
Thank you.
So. All right. God is good, man. God is great. God is amazing, man. All right, guys. Let's go. The very last person. This one is not gonna. Hello.
Yes.
Maoneza. Uri kuvugana na The Ben?
Yes.
Uri mu bantu bitabiriye iriya quiz twatanze kuri Instagram, right? Yego
ira yo kuvuga the coming in the new song.
Yego. So uri mu bantu bahisemo izina rya nyaryo kandi congratulations kubera ko wabaye umwe mu batsinze basically. Yeah.
Wow, urakoze cyane Imana igumugisha.
Kabisa Imana igumugisha nawe kandi ibyiza biri imbere.
Umva niwe muntu wanje n'ubundi tayiga ndakwemera n'ubundi.
Urakoze cyane my friend. Urakoze cyane. Ubwo ikintu zibukurikizeho. Iyi nimero yawe right? Bwite sibyo?
Yego.
Abantu babishinzwe baraza kukwandikira. Bese ofete uri muri baba ni batanu ba.
Thank you very much my brother.
Thank you my friend. Take care man.
Urakoze cyane.
One love man.
Nukuri urakoze kandi keep up bro.
Thank you man. Thank you kabisa.
Ubwo niba byose bizaza kandi nukunda kwemera.
Imana igumugisha my friend. So far so good. Urakoze my friend. Take care man. We'll go stay in touch.
Sawa.
All right bye. All right guys, listen. Huh? Mbuji? Utanzabwira bebe abasuza ari kuvugira hirya mu gikari. Bebe bas okay, just make a sound.
Hello.
Sound louder. How about you come closer? Huh? No, we don't want you to be on the camera. Trust me. Just come. No, ntabwo dushaka kuza muri camera. Ngwino hano. Ngaho tera ya ndirimbo. Eh? Eh? Oh? Anyway, my wife Rikuba, shout out to me stage. Obviously she loves you guys. Shout out to all my friends, man. Shout out to all my boys. Lami Boo. Shout out to Kareem Abdul. Shout out to Kelly Uganda. Shout out to Mehdi. Shout out to K8 Kafuyo, the baddest. Shout out to shout out to everybody, man. Shout out to Mboni. Shout out to Sonia Hilton. How about you come and say it, baby? Shout out to Sonia Hilton. Shout out to my mother. Shout out to my brother Dan Scott. Shout out to shout out to Yago. Before I go, shout out to Uncle Austin. Shout out to all the industry, man. Let me mention some names. Shout out to Tom Close, Parawanje. Shout out to Jimmy Muyumbo, Parawanje.
Shout out to Trisha too.
Shout out to Tricia. Shout out to Knowles. Shout out to Jolly. Shout out to the whole gang. Gang. Shout out to Clemmer. Shout out to Ivan Edmonton. Shout out to Alfred Guida and Jira. By the way, I love Alpha's song. I didn't be Alpha baby. Hunda. It was Zura. You guys mujye mushaka nimba yitwa Zura Alfred Guida and Jira and come thank me. Iri mu ndirimbo zubaka cyane. So shout out to the whole industry, man. I wish I can mention everybody.
Shout out to everybody.
Shout out to everybody. Imana ibahe umugisha. Shout out to Buchura, Ibra. Shout out to Abraham. Shout out to Praise. Shout out to the baddest Praise. Shout out to Yago, my boy. So shout out to Bruce Melody, man. Shout out to Coach Gael. Shout out to the whole 155. Shout out to Noop Jet. I'm Kuboko. Aifashijwemo na Tom Close. Listen, guys. Mad respect to Miyowoke. Mad respect to Papa Miyowoke. Mad respect to Papa. I love you, man.
Shout out to Katono.
Shout out to Katono. Hey, shout out to Kevin Kadev. Baddest. Shout out to Kev, man. Kev, you're doing great. I'm super proud of you, man. Shout out to Element. Shout out to all my boys, man. Listen, I have so many friends, by the way. So when you want to use things, man. So it's only people forget. Don't come at me, huh? Shout out to everybody, man. One love, Dawakunda, Emmanuel Mugisha, forever. I know we will do this once more.